Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 5. Today we're going to present about industrial robot in manufacturing industry. Our team is Farmina Syuhada, Najah Hanina, Muhammad Syabil and Muhammad Mukri. So our agenda from this presentation is first we got introduction and Journal 1 from me, Journal 2 from Najah Hanina, Journal 3 from Syabil, Journal 4 from Mukri, and conclusion. Introduction is industrial robots are revolutionizing manufacturing industry by increasing efficiency, improving quality, and enhance workplace safety. However, to fully harness their potential, manufacturers must invest in advanced robotic systems, integrate them seamlessly into existing workflow, and provide adequate training to employees. Topic Journal 1 is configuring safe industrial robot work cell in manufacturing industry. So the introduction, configuring safe industrial robot work cell in manufacturing industry, like we discussed the increasing use of industrial robot in manufacturing and the importance of ensuring their safe operation. The potential risks associated with industrial robots, such as liaison with human or other objects, and the need for proper safety measures to mitigate this risk. This may also mention the growing demand for flexible and adaptable manufacturing system, which has led to the development of robot work cell that can be easily reconfigured to accommodate different production process. Overall, the introduction said that the stage for the importance of configuring safe industrial robot work cell in the manufacturing industry to ensure both safety and efficiency. Based on this topic, the highlight of this journal could include the key factor involved in configuring a safe industrial robot work cell, and second, the safety challenges associated with industrial robot work cell in the manufacturing industry. Third is strategies for designing and implementing safe industrial robot work cell. And the last one is the effectiveness of this strategy in improving safety and efficiency in manufacturing environment. Result and discussion. If you refer to this picture, this is a basic illustration of a safe robot work cell for single robot. So the study found that implementing safety measures such as physical barriers, safety sensor, and emergency stop system significantly reduce the risk of accident in industrial robot work cell. Compliance with safety standards and regular maintenance of safety equipment were also crucial in ensuring the safe operation in robot work cell. So for this discussion, actually the result highlight the importance of integrating safety consideration into the design and operation of industrial robot work cell. While implementing safety measures occurs additional costs and long-term benefit in terms of preventing accident, reducing downtime, and improving worker safety and morale outweigh these costs. The finding emphasized the need for manufacturing to prioritize safety and invest in appropriate safety measures to protect both worker and equipment. To ensure the safety and efficiency of industrial robot work cell, immediate action is needed to implement robot safety measure and compliance practice. So first is implementation of safety measure. Manufacturers should prioritize the implementation of safety measures such as physical barriers and safety sensor in industrial robot work cell to reduce the risk of accident. The second is compliance with standard. Adherence to safety standard and regulation is essential to ensure the safe operation of industrial robot work cell and protect workers from harm. Third, investment in safety. Companies should invest in appropriate safety equipment and training to create a safe working environment for employees. Fourth, continuous improvement. There is a need for continuous improvement in safety practice and technologies to address emergency risks in industrial environment. Last but not least is research and development. Further research is needed to develop innovative safety solutions and improve the design of industrial robot workcell to enhance safety and efficiency. So for the next slide is reference that I refer to complete my journal research. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Najah Hanina binti Hadini. My matric number is F3021. Now I'm going to present for journal number 2. The title is Industrial Robot Application in Manufacturing Processes in Asia and Australia by Isaac Karabegovic, Edina Karabegovic and Ermin Husak. The highlighted topic for this journal is the role of industrial robot in a manufacturing process and to see which manufacturing process have the highest industrial robot application. I'm going to introduce about this journal for a little bit. First of all, constant modernization and automation in manufacturing processes drive increasing demand for industrial robot application. New technologies, materials, and industries like solar cell manufacturing contribute to the growing complexity and demand for industrial robots. Following industrial robots applications are diversifying, requiring flexible automation and maintaining high quality standards across industries. Technological advancement improve industrial robot flexibility, accuracy, security, and simplify applications. Apart from that, medium-sized and small businesses are adopting flexible automation to remain competitive, with the automobile industry leading by other sectors catching up. Besides, information technology developments lead to continuous changes and higher possibilities in industry robotics applications. This analysis focuses on trends and applications across industries and countries to identify areas of high robot utilization and industrial development. From the data provided, it's clear that Asia and Australia leads the world in industrial robot applications, both annually and in total. In 2010, Asia alone accounted for 59% of the annual industrial robot applications worldwide, with a total of 498,933 units applied. However, when looking at the total level, Asia and Australia represent 49% of the total industrial robot applications globally. The trend from 1998 to 2010 showed a constant increase in industrial robot application in Asia and Australia, with a slight decline in the last 3 years, particularly affected by the financial crisis in 2009. From 2008 to 2010, industrial robot applications in various manufacturing processes in Asia and Australia increased. In 2010, there were 69,833 new industrial robots applied, which is 130% higher than in 2009. Handling operations accounted for 41%, welding for 30%, automobile industry for 21%, electro and electronic industry for 37%, and chemical industry for 8% of the total application at the annual level. The total number of industrial robots applied in 2010 remained slightly higher compared to 2009. In terms of industrial branches, the automobile industry used 32%, electronic industry 23%, and chemical industry 10% of industrial robots. The trend over the last 3 years shows a sudden fall in application in 2009 due to the financial crisis. Overall, the total industrial robots application trend in the last 3 years in Asia show a slight decrease. The analysis of industrial robot applications in countries of Asia and Australia from 2008 to 2010, the Republic of Korea lead in 2010 with 23,508 units, followed by Japan and the Republic of China. Other countries also had significant applications. Japan had the highest total number of industrial robots with 286,000 units, as I highlighted in the table 3 above, followed by the Republic of Korea, China, and Taiwan. China notably tripled its robot applications in 2010 compared to 2009. In Japan, the total number of industrial robots decreased over the last 3 years, with the automobile industry being the largest user. The Republic of Korea saw an increasing trend in industrial robot applications, particularly in the electro industry. China also experienced growth mainly in the automobile and metal industry. Taiwan showed an increase in industrial robots applications across various processes. Overall, these countries in Asia and Australia are heavily investing in industrial automation to stay competitive in global markets. So this slide is about results and discussion that I managed to achieve in the journal. The analysis shows that Asia and Australia is leading in using industrial robots worldwide. There was a steady increase in robot use from 1998 to 2010, with a slight dip in 2009 but a big jump in 2010. Key industries like handling, welding, automobile, and electronics are driving this trend. In 2010, South Korea used the most robots, followed by Japan and China. China stood out for tripling its robot use in just 1 year. These trends mean more efficient production, better quality products, and lower labor costs. It's especially important for staying competitive in global markets. As technology advances, countries need to keep up with automation to stay ahead in manufacturing. In conclusion, the data emphasizes Asia and Australia's prominent position as a global leader in industrial robot adoption, driven by consistently high utilization rates across diverse industries. Despite encountering challenges such as the 2009 financial crisis, the region has demonstrated resilience, exhibiting continuous growth in industrial robot application. These trends reflect the robustness of the manufacturing sector in Asia and Australia. Moreover, the widespread use of industrial robots across various sectors highlights versatility and adaptability of automation technologies. Key countries like South Korea, Japan, and China have emerged as frontrunner in industrial robots deployment. The increasing adoption of industrial robots underscores the importance of automation in enhancing competitiveness, improving productivity, and driving innovation within the manufacturing sector, positioning Asia and Australia favorably in the global market. Continuing investment and innovation in automation technologies are crucial to sustaining growth and maintaining competitiveness in the future. And for the last slide is the reference from the journal. This is the end for journal 2 from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Syafil Ikram bin Faizul Fazilah. My matrix number is F3022. And now let me proceed this presentation with Journal 3. The title is The Application of Industrial Robot and the High Quality Development of Manufacturing Industry from a Sustainability Perspective by Kian Guo and Si Fang Su. Okay, let me start with introduction. The highlighted topic for this journal is investigation of the impact of the application of industrial robots on the high quality development of the manufacturing industry in China. So the transformative impact of industrial robots on the high quality development of China manufacturing industry within the context of global technology evolution, highlighting the deep integration of information technology and robotics. It underscores the significance of industrial robots as programmable machine driving a new industrial revolution. Policies worldwide support this development, yet research on air impact on HQDMI, particularly in developing countries like China, remains limited. By focusing on sustainability and HQDMI, the paper emphasized the need for eco-friendly production, resource efficiency, and stable economic growth. It reveals the significantly enhanced HQDMI, especially in certain regions through machinism, such as the value added information effect and resource allocation effect. This study fills gap in research methodology by constructing the comprehensive HQDMI evaluation index system and analyzing the mechanism behind air impact. It highlights the importance of regional factor and policy environment in shaping air influence on HQDMI. Okay, now we move to result and discussion. First is significant improvement in HQDMI. The study found that the application of industrial robots significantly enhanced the high quality development of manufacturing industry, as indicated by various robustness tests. This suggests that air positively impact the quality manufacturing process and outcomes. Second point is policy implication. By underscoring the importance of considering regional differences and policy systems, the study contribute to a better understanding to the impact of air on HQDMI. This insight is valuable for policymakers and industry stakeholders seeking to optimize the benefit of air implementation while promoting sustainable industrial development. The third point is impact mechanism. Analysis of the impact mechanism revealed two main effects on air on HQDMI. The value added information effect and the resource allocation effect. The former refers to how air enhance HQDMI by improving regional information levels, while the latter pertains to how air optimize resource allocation, leading to improved manufacturing outcome. Okay, the last point is regional disparities. Research identify regional disparities in the impact of air on HQDMI. Specifically, air contributes more to HQDMI in eastern region and Wildia area. This highlights the importance of considering regional differences in assessing the effectiveness of air implementation. Okay, for the last part for this journal is reference. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, nama saya Mukri. Saya akan menyambung bagi jurnal keempat, iaitu Application of Industrial Robot in Automated Production Line under the background of Intelligent Manufacturing. Introduction to Intelligent Manufacturing. Intelligent Manufacturing integrates digital information technology. It is based on the Internet of Things, big data, cloud computing, and other advanced technology. Intelligent manufacturing is a key development point for China manufacturing industry. Result and discussion. Daripada pie chart ni menunjukkan the current model status of the production line. Ada manual, ada automated and ada. Result yang diperoleh ialah industry robot are widely applied in automated production line under the background of intelligent manufacturing. Dia dapat improve production efficiency and reduce reaction rate. Dia juga dapat enable effective joint control in production line. Untuk discussion, the application of industry robot ni dia dapat banyak kelebihan berbanding menggunakan manual labor. The combination of industry robot and PLC ensure seamless coordination and control in the production process. Future research is need to explore the potential of industry robot in enhancing manufacturing automation. Dia perlukan banyak research lagi tentang industri robot ni untuk menambah baik manufacturing automation di masa depan. Conclusion bagi grup kami, in conclusion, industry robot play a crucial role in modern manufacturing industry for increased efficiency, improve quality and enhance safety. However, successful integration of this robot require careful planning, investment in advanced technology and continuous training of the personnel. Embracing this technology can lead to significant improvement in productivity and competitiveness for manufacturing industry. Okay, that's all from our group presentation. Thank you.